What if a classroom door could make students smile before they even step inside? What if the first thing they saw every morning reminded them that learning can be joyful, colorful, and full of possibility? A classroom door is more than an entrance. It's a greeting. It's a message. It sets the mood for the entire day. Imagine bright spring colors welcoming students, cheerful designs sparking curiosity, positive words inspiring confidence, and a door that turns an ordinary hallway into a place of excitement and creativity. Today, we're sharing spring classroom door decoration ideas that feel fun, educational, and uplifting, decorations that celebrate the season while creating a warm and welcoming learning environment.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are spring classroom door decorations important? Spring classroom door decorations create a positive first impression. They help students feel excited and motivated before class even begins. After long winter months, spring decor brings energy back into the school environment. It signals freshness, growth, and new beginnings. It helps shift student mindset toward positivity and creativity. A decorated door tells students that their classroom is a special place. It makes them feel welcomed, valued, and ready to learn. If you love creative classroom ideas, tap like and celebrate spring learning with us. How can colors be used effectively on spring classroom doors? Color is one of the most powerful tools in classroom decor. Spring colors bring life and energy. Bright shades capture attention and excitement. Soft pastels create calm and balance. Green tones symbolize growth and learning. When colors are chosen thoughtfully, the door feels joyful without being overwhelming. It becomes visually engaging and emotionally uplifting. Save this video to your playlist for classroom color inspiration. How does spring decor affect student mood and engagement? Visual environments play a big role in how students feel. Spring decorations bring brightness and optimism. Colorful doors can boost energy and enthusiasm. Seasonal themes help students feel connected to the world around them. Positive visuals create a sense of joy and comfort. When students feel happy entering a classroom, they are more open to learning. A cheerful door helps set the emotional tone for the entire day. Subscribe for more classroom decor and teaching inspiration. How can educational elements be included in spring door decor? Spring classroom doors can be both decorative and meaningful. They can support learning in creative ways. Educational visuals reinforce classroom goals. Seasonal learning themes make content relatable. Positive messages encourage student confidence. When learning is woven into decor, students engage without realizing it. The door becomes a quiet teaching tool that inspires curiosity. Like and share this video if you love learning-inspired decor. How can student involvement enhance spring classroom door decorations? Involving students makes decor more meaningful. It creates a sense of ownership and pride. Student contributions make decorations personal. Collaborative projects encourage teamwork. Creative expression boosts confidence. When students help decorate, the door reflects their voices. It becomes something they feel connected to and proud of. Check the description for student-friendly decoration ideas. How can spring door decorations stay simple and manageable for teachers? Classroom decor should feel joyful, not stressful. Spring decorations don't need to be complicated. Simple designs save time. Reusable elements add convenience. Clear layouts keep doors uncluttered. A simple yet thoughtful door can be just as impactful. It keeps the classroom bright without overwhelming the teacher. Check the description for easy spring classroom door ideas. How can spring classroom doors reflect positivity and encouragement? Spring is the perfect season to highlight encouragement and growth. Door decor can inspire kindness and motivation. Positive words create confidence. Uplifting messages encourage effort. Supportive visuals remind students they belong. A positive classroom door sets the emotional foundation for learning. It reminds students that growth happens one step at a time. Comment what positive message you love seeing in classrooms. How do spring classroom door decorations support a positive learning environment? The classroom door is the start of every lesson. It shapes how students feel walking in. A welcoming door builds comfort. Seasonal decor creates excitement. Positive visuals support emotional well-being. Spring door decorations help students feel safe, inspired, and ready to learn. They turn a hallway moment into a positive experience. Subscribe now for more classroom decor and teaching inspiration. What colors work best for spring table decoration ideas? Spring table colors should feel soft, cheerful, and balanced. They mirror the beauty of nature coming back to life. Pastel shades bring calm and charm. Fresh greens add life and freshness. Warm neutrals ground the table. Subtle pops of floral color add happiness and energy. When colors flow naturally, the table feels bright without being overwhelming. It becomes a joyful reflection of the season. Subscribe for more seasonal table decor inspiration. And that is how you create beautiful spring classroom door decorations. Cheerful, inspiring, and full of life. These are doors that welcome learning. Doors that celebrate growth. Doors that make students smile before the bell even rings. Let the colors brighten the hallway. Let the messages inspire confidence. Let the door reflect the joy of spring and learning. Because sometimes the most powerful lesson of the day begins before students even step inside the classroom.